So you've been wondering why your pancakes always come out like this instead of this, okay? You've been wondering and you do not know how to do that. Let me show you some tricks and tips to achieving this, okay? First, you are going to need a bowl. Into a bowl, we are going to sift in some all-purpose flour. You want to sift your flour always so you trap some foreign materials. You do not want to have any bad nut or anything bad in your flour. Yes. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If today is your first time, you are welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are once again welcome to my channel. Alright, now that we sift this, we are going with some baking powder, baking soda, and we'll add some sugar. Ensure to mix this until everything is well combined. Yes, do not forget to mix it very well, okay? Yes, mix it until everything is well combined. Now let's go in with our milk, melted butter, and also some vanilla. Okay, you can use any flavor of your choice, but in this video I used vanilla. Yes, you mix this until everything is well combined. Yes, make sure to mix it until everything is well combined. If you do not want to mix it until it's smooth, it's also fine. Okay, now that we've done this, we are going ahead to just break some eggs. Okay, I'm breaking 1 egg. All the ingredients and their right measurements will be in the description like always, so do not forget to read the description for all the details you need to make these beautiful and tasty pancakes. All right, now this is the consistency we want. This is just perfect. Okay, now that we've done this, I'm going to put some oil in my pan, and you do not want to fry your pancakes with that much oil. Wait until the oil is heated and then you clean it, okay? You see, just clean it like this and go in with a cup. Okay, you want to get same size, so make sure to use the same size to measure your pancakes and fry. After it's bubbling, wait for it to finish bubbling like this and then flip it over. Okay, after it's finished bubbling, flip it over and you achieve this beautiful golden brown looks, and that is what you want. If you make your oil too much, then you are going to get something like this instead of this perfect one. Okay, you want to use the same tissue to clean your pan again and go in with your mixture, and then you continue to bake your pancakes too until everything is golden brown. Do not forget to like this video if you find these tips very helpful, so you do not miss out on any video I'll post in the future. Click on the bell notification icon as well, so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Like, share your thoughts in the comments, okay, so that your friends can also get to learn some tips on how to make these perfect pancakes. Thank you so much for watching, and then I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.